Hi Mahzooz lovers, this video is most important for you. This time Mahzooz draw prediction. The draw which is drawing on 26th February 2022. Request to all viewers, I need your little concentration. First point, you should select your numbers, maximum numbers between 5 to 33. 3 or 4 numbers should come from 5 to 33. You should select your 3 numbers in odd and 2 numbers in even. Next, my 16 numbers out of 49, which has very high chances to come in the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. From 1 to 9, I have 4 numbers: 4, 6, 8 and 9. From 10 to 19, I have also 4 numbers: 10, 13, 16 and 19. From 20 to 29, I have 3 numbers: 24, 25 and 27. From 30 to 39, I have 3 numbers: 33, 34 and 35. In last, from 40 to 49, I have 2 numbers: 41 and 45. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers. It is my final research for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. If you like any number from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. If the number will repeat from previous result of Mahzooz is 14, 20, 37, 43 and 44. If the number will repeat, then 37 and 43. 37 and 43 numbers has chances. These numbers can repeat. If you want to select from previous numbers, then 37 and 43 are good numbers. You can select any number from it. Last, my golden numbers from my 16 numbers. Number 1 is 25 and number 2 is 27. These numbers have very high chances to come. 1 or these both numbers are golden numbers for coming draw. In previous draw, I was told you the golden numbers is 14, 19, 41 and 46, and the 14 was passed. Now the golden numbers only 2, 25 and 27. You can select one or both numbers in your selection. Okay friends, these are my final prediction. If you like anything from it, you can select. Okay friends, so good luck to all and goodbye.